Platoon, Wall Street, Born on the 4th of July, JFK. Oliver Stone's vision has changed the way we saw our past. Now he takes a look at where we are and where we're going. And you'll be shocked at what he sees. Nikki and Mallory, feared by thousands.
I love you so much, baby.
I love you.
Watched by millions.
We're fate. Can't stop fate. Nobody can. It's kind of like the Twilight Zone or something.
Woody Harrelson, Juliette Lewis, Robert Downey Jr., and Tommy Lee Jones.
What do you have to say to your fans?
You ain't seen nothing yet.
Natural-born killers. In the media circus of life, they were the main attraction.
Mallory's philosophy takes us back to the day she met Nikki, and we decided to go with a sitcom format wherein we would again exaggerate the background, her past.
Well, you look nice, Mallory.
Yuck, you look like...
That's my son, Sean.
Thanks, Mom. Well, I'm gonna go now. I'll be back at midnight, okay?
Victor Kempster designed a wallpaper and a set that is bizarre, and I mean the shirts too, and the Rodney shirt, the colors of the dresses of the women, all accentuate the surreality of this upbringing.
First off, you don't tell me anything.
The colors, the set design was wacky, like a fake sitcom. In a sense, she lives in an artificial world of the only release for her is television. Thus, the channel surfing, shallow mentality she possesses, as does her family. But more importantly, there's a strain of violence in this generation that is being passed on. You see a father that is abusive and violent and sexually molests her. I feel that to go from these lush, saturated colors from video and cut into a very harsh 35mm black and white shot of him groping her, that's the kind of moment, the internal moment that's going on. He's not even touching her probably in reality, but to her mind, he is violating her in every way he can with his words.
After I eat.
We shot this with the old television cameras. We use an Ikegami Beta SP camera. And it's often used for news reporting, and we wanted to give it a real video look. And then when we took that video to film, it was magic to see those colors. It makes you think about the reality underneath, to me. The mother is a poodle, in a sense. She just goes along, and that's what her great character flaw is, that she allows this to happen and puts up with it.
Bad news. Don't let your macaroni get cold, Ed.
This gave me a chance to work on something I've always wanted to do, like a sitcom or comedy lines and timing and all that, and I had a ball doing it. Film directing is rarely this simple, and it's always fun just to be a little sloppy and be flat and go for the line and have some applause. We laid in applause and laughter through the scene. And that was very complicated, actually, because I didn't know how to do it.
Oh, you wait right here. I have to have a word with my husband.
Nikki?
We
got an army of shrinks in here talks about mania, schizophrenia, multifrenia, and obsessions. It makes me sick.
Hey, Jack. Mickey's back.
Well,
Morrison, Jack Nicholson got Mickey and Mallory.
And Dallas, your Cowboys are the Super Bowl champions.
Right after the game, stay tuned for a special.
face the wall. Hey, relax, fellas. We want to have a little talk is all.
Mr. Skagani, don't get closer. She'll kill you.
Naturally born bad. Bad.
Hey, Knox. Somebody out here.
Born bad. It's such a sin.
All right, get off us!
Can't get rid of your shadow, can you, Wayne? That's when I realized my one true calling in life. Shit, man. I'm a natural born killer.
You still like me now, Jack?
The blizzard of the world has crossed the threshold.